Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to review my hand cart for you. This is a cart I use to transport goods for delivery, and I've been using it for a really long time. I used to use a different one before, but now it's broken, so I bought this new cart. This type can be folded up. That way, I can keep it in the car, which is really convenient for when I go deliver goods. Or you can use it at home, to move things from your car into the house. Sometimes when I come back from the supermarket, I can load my stuff here and pull it in. If you live in an apartment or something, you can just wheel it inside. Here, there's a part where you can pull up the handle. Depending on your height, you can adjust it out. Then you can attach it here so that it stays compact. The 4 wheels. These 4 wheels can rotate in whatever direction you want to adjust. This cart is also pretty spacious, so you can load quite a lot of items onto it. When you're done, you just need to grab this strap. Grab this part here, pull it up, and it'll fold up. Then you can just put it anywhere in your car, however you want to arrange it. If you work in delivery, you should buy and use this cart.